I want to get your thoughts on an idea that I've just had that could be really interesting. I am thinking to do a new series on YouTube where I produce a track in real time in 120 minutes to the point of actually uploading it to my label and releasing it. I'll have the artwork done in advance because I don't want to do that on a YouTube stream. But basically the whole process of going from idea to a loop to a sequence to a mixed and mastered track would happen in real time on that series, and I would publish it. And if you're asking, why am I so in a hurry? Why do I want to do this in real time? I think there's an aspect there that, it'd be fun and interesting to see if it's doable also for me. Because I do have the template, so I can get stuff done really quickly. But the main reason is that I find myself listening back to the raw sessions of Track in an Hour that I've done on YouTube, which is more like a track sketch in an hour, and actually liking the sound and vibe of those tracks more than the finished tracks that I've maybe spent another few days working on and optimizing and doing stuff to, only to realize that somehow part of the original vibe gets lost a bit along the way. So it would have that advantage that we would capture, or I would capture something really raw in the studio and just put it out there. But also it would have the advantage that I would be forced to be releasing music much more regularly, because I have a lot of ideas that are kind of on the computer, and being a dad and running Rapid Flow, it all keeps me so busy that I don't actually share as much of the music that I'm working on as I would like to. So this would be a way to kind of streamline that whole process. I'm sure through the process I would find ways to do this all more efficiently and to be able to actually release high quality tracks much more often. I would love to get your take on this. So please comment below if that's a format that you would like to see, because I'll then start working on what other workflows and stuff I can do to optimize all this more. And I realize I think it's achievable. And I think that there's interesting learnings that I could share with you around that. So let me know what you think, and looking forward to your comments and your thoughts. All right, bye-bye.